Dear learners, today, the focus of my presentation is school records and registers, types and need of maintaining school records. Let us first try to understand meaning of school records and registers. Schools generate a wide range of records and registers to manage their day-to-day operations and maintain essential information for various purposes. These records serve as valuable tools for educational administrators, teachers, students, and the broader educational community. Here, we'll discuss various types of school records and registers and their significance. Let's discuss student records, types of records, admission records. These include application forms, certificates, and documentation related to a student's admission to the school. Academic records. These encompass transcripts, report cards, and academic assessments that track a student's progress. Health records. These document a student's medical history, vaccinations, and health-related information. Behavior and discipline records. These records track a student's behavior, disciplinary actions, and any interventions. Cumulative records. These contain comprehensive information about a student's educational journey and are often used when transferring to other schools. Need of student records. Admission records streamline the enrollment process and verify eligibility. Academic records help monitor student performance and provide a basis for decision-making. Health records ensure a student's well-being and enable prompt medical care. Behavior and discipline records help maintain order and track student behavior. Cumulative records facilitate seamless transitions between grade levels and schools. Let us now understand teacher records, teacher attendance records. These records track teacher attendance and punctuality. Professional development records. These contain details about teachers' ongoing training and development. Lesson plans and curriculum records. These include lesson plans, curriculum documents, and teaching materials. Need of teacher records. Teacher attendance records ensure educators' punctuality and availability. Professional development records help in monitoring teacher training and growth. Lesson plans and curriculum records maintain consistency in teaching practices. List of school records and registers. 1. Teacher diary. Need. Teacher diaries are essential for educators to plan lessons, note students' progress, and track their daily activities. They serve as a personal log of a teacher's professional journey. Example: a teacher's diary might include lesson plans, notes on student behavior and achievements, and records of meetings or workshops attended. 2. Cumulative records card. Need. Cumulative records cards are crucial for maintaining a student's academic history and progress throughout their school years. They help in tracking a student's performance and ensuring they meet educational standards. Example: a cumulative records card contains details such as a student's personal information, attendance records, academic grades, standardized test scores, and other pertinent information. 3. Attendance register. Teachers and students. Need. Attendance registers are used to record the daily presence or absence of both teachers and students. They are crucial for tracking attendance trends and ensuring compliance with educational requirements. Example: a student's attendance register would include their name, roll number, and dates of attendance. For teachers, it would include their name, employee ID, and daily attendance status. 4. Admission and withdrawal register. Need. These registers are used to document the admission and withdrawal of students. They help maintain accurate enrollment data and track student transitions. Example: an admission register records details of newly enrolled students, while a withdrawal register documents the names of students who have left the school. 5. Stock register. Need. Stock registers are vital for tracking the inventory of educational materials, supplies, and equipment. They help in ensuring the availability of necessary resources. Example: a stock register lists items such as textbooks, laboratory equipment, computers, stationery, and other school resources. It includes details like item descriptions, quantities, dates of procurement, and usage records. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Education and Teacher Education, at Shoking Bilal.